glue is an option to make slime. Like if you can make slime with slime, like it can make your slime soft either. So yeah.
So now I'm kneading mine with my hands.
I'm still mixing because mine doesn't feel ready enough. So because the tide is not all mixed in with it.
Guys, this is my cookie is like really sticky.
So, by the way, if you hear a little bit of noise in the background, it is because I am, just don't mind the noise in the background. Just focus on this. So, yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna try to talk louder so you guys can't really hear. This is our filming place, really. Wait, we film usually upstairs usually, but like this is our filming place. We film upstairs.
So this is my slime and it's coming out really good. It's so really sticky.
But if you guys checked out our 3M video, we filmed it down here.
It was scary.
It was really creepy, honestly. She was the one sleeping, didn't know what was going on, and she disappeared. So I do not recommend you do not do the 3 hand challenge. Everyone says, is it a prank? Is it fake? Oh no, it is not a prank. It's scary. But make sure you do it exactly at the 3 a.m.
But that's only if you want to take the risk.
Because we were going to do it off camera once, and we were too scared, so we did it earlier then. But like then yesterday at 3 a.m. Wait, was it a couple days ago? I think we filmed it a couple days ago. Yeah, we did. And we filmed it a couple days ago, and we stayed up till 3 and made blue slime. It was red and it turned blue. Like that's so not creepy. So please go check out that video if you want to see creepiness.
Okay guys, so here's our slime.
They're very small, but you know, we just usually a little bit of glue. And I think it's very soft without.
Here's our slime.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and comment down below what videos you